Hello everyone. As you all know, that any investor's journey in the equity markets has two aspects to it, namely return and risk. Both need to be balanced to ensure better risk-adjusted return to the investor. However, markets tend to have their own phases of volatility, which at times leads to suboptimal asset allocation decision by the investors, and hence investor returns tend to lag investment returns. There are studies to show that of this gap in returns, almost 45% of this underperformance is explained by voluntary investor behavior, which is incorrect asset allocation decisions. Hence, is there a product that better manages a balance between risk and return and is also objective in its asset allocation decisions? The answer is yes, and that's Balance Advantage Fund, also known as BAF. Tends to eliminate investor behavioral bias, has dynamic rebalancing of the portfolio and active management of equity and debt. Also, BAF maintains 65% gross equity exposure at all points in time, thereby ensuring tax-efficient returns to the investors. As BAF category is a combination of equity and debt, it has better risk-adjusted returns, upside participation, and manages downside risk. Today, we bring before you our NFO, Canara Robeco Balance Advantage Fund, CRBAF, and the NFO will be opened between 12th July and 26th July 2024. CRBAF is a three-factor model comprising of forward price to earnings ratio, trailing 12 months price to book ratio, and equity risk premium. The forward 12 months PE ratio helps us to capture near-term market momentum and changes in earnings growth. The trailing price to book ratio helps us to capture the changes in the business over the medium to long term and also the quality of the business and management by way of capital allocation decisions and balance sheet strength. Lastly, the equity risk premium helps us to understand the asset allocation to be done between equity and debt. Hence, with these three factors, the model is able to capture the different phases and duration of the market cycle. We have given certain weights to each of these three factors, and the combined score gives the outcome by way of the equity allocation. We have backtested our model for the last 20 years and included different context of the market and time periods to showcase both upside downside capture and risk adjusted returns. The average equity allocation of the model for the last 20 years has been approximately 67%. We have measured our model performance relative to its benchmark CRISIL 50/50 Hybrid Moderate Index. To show the upside downside capture of the model, we have performed the backtesting as against BSE 200 index. On a calendar year basis, since 2012, the model has been able to roughly capture 80% of the upside of BSE 200. And on the other hand, when the index returns have been negative or flat or single digit, the model has outperformed the index. Similarly, for both 10-year and 20-year period, every month that BSE 200 returns have been positive, the model has been able to capture 80% of that upside. And for periods where BSE 200 returns have been negative, the downside capture has been limited to 60%. To demonstrate the risk-adjusted returns, we have compared the CAGR returns and standard deviation of our model to BSE 200 for the last 20 years. So, while the model has captured 87% of the returns of BSE 200 index. On the other hand, the risk as measured by standard deviation has been limited to only 67%. To summarize, CR-BAF is a three-factor model comprising of the forward 12 months price to earnings ratio, trailing 12 months price to book ratio, and equity risk premium. And these three factors guide us in understanding the asset allocation between equity and debt. The focus of this model is to deliver risk-adjusted returns and have an optimum balance between upside participation and managing downside risk. Gross equity exposure at all points in time will be maintained at 65% for tax-efficient returns for our investors. The model will be monitored daily and the rebalancing will happen at least once in a fortnight. So let's not forget that risk is as important as return for any investor in their investment journey. So do diversify your portfolio with a BAF product. We thank you for your support to Canara Robeco Mutual Fund for all these years. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.